In front of me is REALME Note 60, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Users and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google Password Manager and one of your passwords you wish to edit. Now it's time to enter your screen lock and use Edit button to make all of your changes. When you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!